What's up, guys? What's going on today? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you what good price action is and how to find a daily bias. So, if you don't know what a daily bias is, it's just if you're more of looking for a long today or for a short. I did not trade today. Yeah, I did not trade today, but I did take a peep at the market today. This is a really good price action, so I want to share what I would do today, and hopefully help some people take some good trades. So this is what I look for in the market. Every time I'm about to take a trade, I scale out to the 5 minute. I check the highs and lows, and then I scale out to the 15 minute, and I check for any imbalances. So you can see that we have an imbalance right here, and we have both these two lows right here that can act as potential take profits or SLs depending on what the market does. So we have this imbalance right here, sell side liquidity imbalance, which is shorting. And the reason why I always look for imbalances in the market is because these imbalances act like a magnet pulling down price action, because these are orders that haven't been filled yet or something like that. But I know that's exactly what it is. I don't know why I said something like that. So these are zones where the market is just naturally attracted to. So these are pushing, this is pulling the market down. Sometimes even pulling the market up, but for this sake, it's pulling the market down. Well, price action, along with these lows right here. So my daily bias is pretty much just short already. I kind of want to see buy side liquidity get swept out right here. Look for some good shorting setups. So that's what my bias is. And then I let the market play out, see what it does the first few candle opens. So we already swept up this buy side liquidity. Why not sweep this one out, right? And the reason, okay, so this is also one of my longing setups too. So here I would go long, but if you scale back out to the 5 minute, we already swept these highs. We already swept those highs. So there's no point of me going long because there's no high to target. So you scale higher to the 15 minute, there's still no high to target. To the 1 hour, all these highs up here, but it doesn't matter because all this stuff is just so close. So I draw the line at the 1 hour with the 1 hour highs. I don't target any highs above the 1 hour. I only use the 15 minute, the 5 minute, and the 1 minute, and I execute on my trades in the 1 minute. So after we figured out that there's no high to target, we can't really go long. So there's no other place for the market for us to do but to go short. And every time I go short, I always target the closest. Let's just say like we have two daily lows for London and Asia session. So I'd always target the first one just to play it safe. So I wait for my entry to form. Boom, this is my entry right here. My entering model. Every time I enter, I place my stop loss. Well, not every time. I place my stop loss at an imbalance. So this was an imbalance that was failed to be completely filled because the candle retraced. The candle retraced like halfway, kind of through it, but it's really a high and it's not a high at the same time. I don't go long. I mean, I don't add two contracts if it's anything over 20%, but like 23%, that's not much of a difference. And then I target something like this. So I'm just targeting London low. My stop loss is in the middle of this. The reason why I could also put it at this high and scale with one contract, but I mean, this is what I back tested so many times and it works for me. The only time it didn't work for me was yesterday. So if it doesn't work, I don't remember at all. I literally just hopped on the chart, select bar, and took it down. So I don't remember at all. But yeah, this is what works for me. The only time it didn't work yesterday is when there was a low right here that I was targeting. I know this is a high, but let's just say, for example, this was a low. And it respected the low and disrespected this imbalance. So that's the only time it didn't work. And usually, sometimes I would do it. I would put my stop loss here, just to be safe. But for this sake, I'm gonna put it here. I typically only do put my stop loss like this when there's like no not multiple highs or lows. If there was multiple highs or lows, I'd probably put my stop loss at one of the highs. But since there's not this one high, I'm gonna put it at this imbalance. I'm expecting it just to sell off, but we'll see what happens. All right, so seems like I was right. Retracement coming up. This is also why I never move to break even too often unless it's like all the way down here, because you see my TP was all the way down here, didn't get hit. If I would have moved to break even, I would have got stopped.
A lot of it is it's from home, but
All right, boom, my TP got hit. And yeah, this is just great price action from September so far. I'm expecting this month to be a really good month for me. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, I am gonna go in depth on my strategy, but I just want to get some more payouts first. Well, some payouts first before I go in depth on my strategy. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And this is how you spot good price action and find a daily bias. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.
does the money go to just